All right, let's go through the quiz homework, chapter 1, pitch stuff. All right, they want bass clef D. So you have 3 choices you can do for it. You have this one, you have that one, we can have that one. Okay, treble clef E could be that one or that one. Bass clef C could be the middle C one, could be this one, or it could be that one. Either one of those 3 that you picked is perfectly fine. Treble clef G could be that one or that one. Bass clef B could be this one or that one. All right, let's do the letter names. B, F, G, C, B, A, C, C, E, and E. Because remember, this is middle C, C, D, E. All right, write a note octave above or below, depending on what's written here. So they want it an octave above, so it's 2-line C. They want above a G, G, F below, the A above, want below B, okay, and want it below B, they want above F, they want it below E, they want above D, and they want above D. All right, bass clef F could be this one or that one. Treble clef G, either this one or this one. Bass clef B could either be this one or this one. Treble clef C could be this or middle C. Bass clef G is that and that. Right, the letter names, pretty easy again. C, G, F. What's that? C, B, A. All right, over the 2-line C, go down one, that's B, B, F. Well, that's middle C on the bass clef, C, D, E. 2-line C, go up one, that's D, and there's a D. All right, we need a note above. So B, above an F, below a G, below the C, above this B is middle C, go down a step and there's a B. All right, below the A, here, All right, we need below. So that's C below. I need a C above. Above. I need below. Treble clef. Could either be that F or that F. Bass clef. That F or that F. Bass clef. Middle C or C. Bass clef. That D, or that D. And treble clef. C and C. And then we go through the notes again. B, because remember this is 2 lines C. D, E, C, G. Remember this is middle C right here. So C, D, E, and F. D, A, B. And there you go. Now we won't get to keyboards until chapter 5, but just in case you see this and you want to understand what that is, when you see 2 black notes, the left of the 2 black notes is the note C. Okay, so to make B would be that one, or that one, C would be this one, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, G, F. All right, one last one. Treble clef, E or E, bass clef, A or A, treble clef, D or D, bass clef, middle C or C, and treble clef, F and F. And then the notes, F, F, C. Remember the 2 line C is this one here, so you go up a step and that's D, E, G, B, A, G. E, if you want to go from where the bottom letter is, here's your G, here's your F, here's your E. There you go. All right. See you in the next video.